Shelley's Puppies Day, I have the Peninsula Humane Society here with me.
Yay!
And they brought this little girl that everybody in the office has fallen in love with.
Yes, we have been seeing everyone. Everyone love.
Yeah, they all want to take her home. What's her name?
This is Luci.
Lucy,
come here. Come here, Lucy.
You're missing your big on-screen debut here.
And Lucy is a 2-year-old.
That's a good shot.
Yeah, she has a cute little tail. She's 2 years old, and she's a Chihuahua Jack Russell mix.
She is
Chihuahua.
adorably cute and tiny, and I love her. And she loves people, apparently. I can tell that much.
Yes.
But maybe not so much a fan of other dogs.
No, she has little dog syndrome, and so she really should be an only child because she does not really get along with other dogs, believe it or not, when we find it hard to believe. But,
She thinks she's a bully. You think you're a little bully, huh? How old is she?
She is 2, and I mean, she really, you can tell, she's super sweet. She's been here all morning getting loves, and you know, she's potty trained, and she's been with someone for 2 years, and she's just not getting along with their other dogs, so she is looking for a new home.
But you get along with me really good. And that tail never stops wagging. That
doesn't.
tail never stops wagging, does it? What do we need to do if we want to adopt her?
She is at the Peninsula SPCA in Newport. So you just come by, and we want everyone to visit with the pet first, you know, before they decide to adopt, because you want to make sure it's the right pet for you. And other than that, she is there at the shelter, and you can just come by. We have lots of other animals obviously available too, and we're at peninsulaspca.org if you want to check out all of our adoptables.
Oh, yes, we do. We want you to get a good home. I know you don't want to look at the camera, but you're so cute. You're so cute. You need a home. Say it.
I need a home.
All right, we'll put all your info up right here.
Sweet girl. Good job.